A D.C. federal court has denied a request from QAnon Shaman Chansley to be released from jail before his sentencing for a felony committed during the January 6 insurrection at the U.S. Capitol. It was Chansley's third failed bid for freedom. The Capitol rioter, who became a bizarre icon of the insurrection in his furry horned hat, failed to show by clear and convincing evidence that he was not a flight risk nor a danger to the community, U.S. District Judge Royce Lamberth said in a ruling released Friday. Chansley's attorney, Albert Watkins, said in a statement that his client had hoped to be released to visit his ill and elderly grandfather one last time. The grandfather was the only adult male constant in his life, according to Watkins. He died Thursday. Judge Lamberth denied the compassion-based request, Watkins said in his statement. On that same day, Mr. Chansley's grandfather passed away. With great sadness and regret, there was simply nothing more I could do to permit a gentle, smart and kind young man the opportunity to spend a few minutes at the side of the man who raised him to say goodbye one last time, Watkins said. Lamberth rejected Watkins' claims that Chansley not visiting his grandfather could somehow worsen his mental state or psychologically trigger him. While Watkins had arranged for a place for Chansley to stay and access to mental health care, he failed to show how Chansley could be prevented from fleeing, Lamberth said. The judge also raised the possibility that Chansley's supporters could provide him with money to flee. Chansley pleaded guilty last week to felony obstruction of an official proceeding during the January 6 riot. But Lamberth said the court was disappointed that Chansley's acceptance of responsibility for the crime was not more fulsome. The court would have appreciated a greater step forward in acknowledging the wrong he committed, Lamberth added. Harm befell the nation as a result of Chansley's actions on January 6, the judge said. Prosecutors have said that Chansley's sentencing guidelines would be between 41 and 51 months. Watkins will seek probation. Chansley's sentencing is scheduled for November 17. Before you go,